Going live on TikTok is one of the best ways to connect with your audience in real time. Whether you're hosting a Q&A, sharing behind-the-scenes moments, or just having a casual chat, live streaming helps you build deeper engagement. But if you've never gone live before, the process can feel a bit unclear. Don't worry. We'll walk you through it from start to finish. First, you need to make sure your account is eligible. TikTok currently requires users to have at least 1,000 followers and be 18 or older to access the live feature. If you meet those requirements, you'll see the Live option appear when you open the camera to create a new video. If it's not there, it's likely a follower count or age issue. Once you're eligible, tap the plus icon on the home screen, just like you're about to create a regular video. On the bottom navigation, scroll over to find the Live tab. From there, you'll be asked to add a title. Keep it short, interesting, and clear. It's the first thing your viewers will see. A catchy title can help attract more people to join your stream. Before you go live, double-check your lighting, sound, and background. Even on TikTok, presentation matters. Once everything's good to go, hit the Go Live button, and you're on air. During the live session, interact with viewers, respond to comments, and keep things flowing naturally. You can even add moderators to help manage the chat if needed. When you're ready to end the stream, simply tap the close button. TikTok doesn't currently save live videos by default, so if you want to repurpose content, consider recording with a second device or preparing clips separately. After the session, take a moment to review what worked, read comments, and think about what you can improve for next time. Going live might feel a bit intimidating at first, but the more you do it, the more comfortable it becomes. And the impact? Totally worth it. With consistency and authenticity, live streams can become one of your most powerful tools on TikTok.